morning, guys. It's Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for clicking, and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. In today's video, we are still exploring our Ninja Deluxe kitchen system. I'm telling you, this Ninja, we are blending smoothies like crazy because, as you know, here in Texas, in the US, it's very hot. I'm telling you, we're leading 100 degrees and above. So we need to be drinking, hydrating ourselves. And some of the things that we are doing is smoothing. This is where this machine now comes of help. So I have been making smoothie, but not so much because this machine is this Ninja. I got it from Costco, a store. So I have not used it so much, but now since it's summer, I'm trying to explore this machine more and more to see what this machine can do. I'm telling you, if you ever wanted to be a good baker, this machine is going to help you with baking using this processor here. You can knead your dough. This is a food processor. We call it a food processor because you can knead your dough here. You can grate, you can shred, you can onions if you want to cook. I'm going to be showing you how this thing works as time comes by. But today's video, we are going to make a smoothie. And as you know, I love pineapples. So I'm going to make a pineapple lime smoothie for today's video, and I am going to use a single serving cup. They have these cups here. This is for a single serving cup, so you don't have to make for a whole lot of people. But this one here, if you have a lot of people, you can use this picture here. This one can, blend a lot. I have made a couple of videos on my channel. You can go ahead and watch. Okay, this is 2.4 liters of water can go here. I'm telling you. And this one here, the single serving, it's let me show you, it's 21 ounces can go here. So today we are going to use a single serving, and this one here is extractor. It's called extractor. You can see it's very sharp because these are knives. And I'm telling you guys, if you ever using this thing or washing it, be very careful. They warn you because these are knives. They can literally cut you. So you need to be very careful. So today we are going to use this extractor to make our single serving cups smoothie. And also when you finish with this extractor, you take it off, you replace with a lid, which is a cover that you can use to enjoy to drink if you want to drink from here. But today, let's just start making our lime pineapple. So the first thing I'm gonna do, as you can see here, I have my pineapple already chopped, and also I have my lime here. So what I'm gonna do with this lime, I'm going to peel, excuse me, I'm going to peel my lime. Let me get my knife. So we are going to peel the lime. The way I do the lime, I just peel it like this, remove this skin because it's bitter. I don't want my my smoothie to be bitter. So I'm going to chop this out. So I wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing. So all I'm looking for is the inside of the lime. Okay, so I'm going to go deeper and chop it off. Okay. So guys, I hope you bear with me because I want to show you the raw and cut videos. I don't like sugarcoating my videos. I want you to see exactly. You can use a cutting board, but because I have one lime here, I don't want to go that extra mile. So I want to make sure I'm removing all the skin because all I want is this inside of the lime right here, the juicy part of it, because that's what I want to mix with my pineapple. Okay, so we are going to make sure this lime is really cut, and make sure we remove all the extra skin so that we can get that limey pineapple. Can you imagine a limey pineapple smoothie? Oh my goodness, in the summer. Hey, really nice. And I want to check inside to make sure I don't have any seeds there, which we can see no seeds. So I am going to drop this in my cup because I'm going to make 2 cups. One is going to be for somebody else and one is going to be mine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop one here and one here. So we have, this is a single serving, this is another serving. So these two people are going to have lime and pineapple. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to chop my pineapples. Make sure I remove the skin here. So it's easy to remove because my knife is really sharp. I don't want to cut myself. So you see, really easy. And then we are going to cut pineapple. I should have come with a cutting board. This is traditional way of doing it, but why? Hey, we can do this. So I'm going to put my pineapples over here. See, my pineapple is going over there. We still have more pineapples, so I'm going to chop or to peel another pineapple. This is Sumoto lifestyle. I like being authentic, okay? So we, pineapple goes over here. Whoa, I can already smell really good. So this is our lime at the bottom, and we have pineapple, and this pineapple actually has lots of water. So I'm going to cut another pineapple over here. Let me go this way. I hope you guys can see me. We're cooking another pineapple. Yeah. So let's peel it really quick so that you see how this ninja system is going to work. Oh my goodness, this ninja system actually has been of a great help. So I'm going to put more pineapples here because I love pineapples, guys. So this is what we are going to do. Yeah, look at that. So let me go wash my hands so I can show you more. All right, guys, as I wash my hand now, I'm going to show you these are my pineapple and lime. And again, listen, if you want to add more fruit, say you want the grapes, you want the strawberry, you want banana, you want anything, papaya, you can add in here. But for me today, I don't want to add any of the fruits. So all I want today is pineapple and lime smoothie. And this is what it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water. You can add water or you don't have to add water. For me, I just want a little bit of water in here, okay? So let's go ahead and add water. Just a little bit, you know. And again, you can add anything. Some people add juice if they want to add juice. Some people add whatever they want to add. But for me, I just want to add water and that's it. Now, I'm going to get my extractor, cover it up. I'm going to cover this thing up right here. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't leak. So I'm going to come here to my motor and I'm going to make sure, turn it on, make sure it clicks. When it clicks, this thing turns on. It tells you what you're going to do with this pineapple and lime. So it tells me I'm going to make it puree. So that is what it's suggesting. So my smoothie is going to be puree. So I'm going to press it. It has given me 57 seconds to make my puree. So we are going to go ahead and turn it on, okay? But you can make it, it gives you another option of making smoothie, frozen, extract, you know. You can do medium, you can do low. So we are going to make puree. Let's see how puree smoothie looks like. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys. Just like that, our puree smoothie is done. So I'm going to take it out so we see how it looks like. So what you do when you're going to take it there out, you turn the motor off and then you anti-clockwise and voila, we have a puree lime pineapple, lime or lime pineapple smoothie is right here. So I'm going to open it so that we see. Oh my goodness. So they tell you to remove the shredder, remove it, you replace with the lid. Look at that. So you can drink from the lid here. Wow, it's really, really nice. But if you want to be fancy, you don't want to drink from the lid, I like getting my glass like this just to be fancy and open it and put let me just open the whole thing like this and put my smoothie here. Guys, look at that. Look at that smoothie. The consistency that you see here. My gosh. Do you know how much if you go to a restaurant or you say, oh, I want smoothie. Do you know how much this glass of smoothie can be? It's a lot of money. But here you are, if you have this Ninja System Deluxe kitchen system here, you can enjoy all this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is heaven. Oh, I'm telling you, lime and pineapple together. Oh, it's everything. So this is a motor lifestyle here. I'm enjoying this. Oopsie, somebody's calling. I need to make something for my hubby. Is calling. Where is mine? Let me go ahead and blend for him. This is mine. Ooh. So let me go ahead and add a little bit of water for him. You see, you can easily forget somebody. So I'm gonna put the shredder quickly. Make sure when you put this extractor here, make sure it sticks in here and put it in there, turn it on and lock it in there. And the next thing, voila, so make a smoothie. Let me enjoy mine. So well, guys, my happy smoothie is done. So this is his. So I'm gonna get a cup and give it to him. Okay, but before I do that, I feel like I need to make a thumbnail because this thumbnail is very important. This is what you are going to see before you can click my video. So the thumbnail here is the key. So I'm going to remove this actually so we can make a really good thumbnail. I tell you, my videos are authentic. So we are going to make a lime pineapple smoothie right here. So maybe this can be a thumbnail, or I can just carry it like this. That's a good thumbnail. So let me take it out, put it to my hubby so I can give it to him. Ooh, look at that. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling. Whoa, whoa. Look what we got. This is pineapple and lime smoothie. Now, this is a good thumbnail now. Move this. Guys, make sure you subscribe, you share the video, and I am going to show you more videos what this machine can do. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.